How to download Google Maps or offline use. First, open your Google Maps app. Make sure you are signed in using your Google account. Next, type in the name of the city, region, or area you want to download. For example, Cebu City or Los Angeles. Then tap it once the map loads. Now, tap the name or address bar at the bottom. Then look for the three dots menu or download icon. Tap Download Offline Map. Resize the square to cover the area you want to save. The app will show you how much space it will take. Once you're good, tap Download. To access it later, tap your profile picture, Offline Maps, then select the map you downloaded. You are ready to navigate even without Wi-Fi or data. So that's it.